Finally, we have a real look of Pixel 9 Pro XL against the Pixel 8 Pro, and there are some big changes we are going to see on Pixel 9 Pro XL. Yes, it's not Pixel 9 Pro but XL version. Also, we got the screen size, pricing and more. So stick till the end to find more, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. This is the look of Pixel 9 Pro XL against the Pixel 8 Pro. There are a couple of similarities. First, both devices have the same size. Both features the same 6.7 inches display. The back of the phone is matte, but the sides of the phones are glossy. Although on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, we got a flat sides compared to rounded sides on Pixel 8 Pro. The display, however, is different. We get slightly curved edges on Pixel 8 Pro, but on Pixel 9 Pro XL, the display is completely flat. Obviously, this will improve the durability on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The most noticeable change is the camera design on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, although it seems thicker. This is not it. The phone is also compared with the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Comparing it with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the sides matches the iPhone as both comes with the flat sides and both got glossy sides. But things are slightly different on the edges, where Google give us a slight curve to give it a better user experience. But when compared with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the phone is slightly smaller, as it comes with a 6.7 inches display compared to 6.8 on S24 Ultra. Overall, this is a good size for both who wants a larger display yet a compact phone. This could potentially reduce the weight as well on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google also did a great job of changing the design between the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. On Pixel 9, we get a glossy back compared to matte finish on Pixel 9 Pro XL. But this is opposite when we talk about the sides of both phones. Glossy sides on Pixel 9 Pro XL and matte sides on Pixel 9. We also get the screen size for all the Pixel upcoming devices, and there is a difference between the Pixel 8 and 9 series. And there's one extra model this year. Pixel 9 and Pixel 8 features the same size. Pixel 9 Pro is slightly bigger compared to the Pixel 9, and this is just an extra model having a smaller version but with all Pro features. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 8 Pro both got almost the same size, just slightly bigger, but as I shared Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 8 Pro in real life, there is little to no difference in size. Also, the display technology is different. The brightness level is also different. 2050 nits on Pixel 9 Pro XL and 1800 on Pixel 9. These are not peak brightness numbers, those would be even higher. The price of Pixel 9 entire series is also out, and there's something I'm a little bit worried about. We get the European pricing for all models, €899 for 128 gigs Pixel 9 and €999 for 256 gigs. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro gets a €1,099 for the base model, €1,199 for the 256 gigs, and €1,320 for the 512 gigs. Where top of the line model Pixel 9 Pro XL base model costs us €1,199. €1,299 for 256 gigs and €1,429 for 512 gigs version, and 1TB version will be priced at €1,689. Obviously, if we convert these numbers in US dollars, this is a lot of money. Still, if we remove taxes and all, still Pixel 9 Pro XL will cost way more than the last year. And the advantage of having a less price on Pixel devices are about to over. I believe we could see a similar price to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as there is no 128 gigs on S24 Ultra, but Google is still going with 128 gigs as a base model. The cameras are also going to see an update on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is the picture confirming the cameras of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. 50 megapixel main shooter, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel telephoto sensor. Even the selfie shooter is getting a 50 megapixel sensor with autofocus. The ultra wide update will greatly improve your landscape shots, and Pixel are known for their camera optimization, and we'll see the same thing on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Apart from hands-on look, the battery size is also out for the Pixel 9 entire series. Pixel 9 Pro XL will going to feature a 4942 mAh battery, slightly smaller compared to the last year Pixel 8 Pro, although the Pixel 9 Pro Fold gets a way smaller battery compared to its predecessor. But Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, the smaller versions, will get a bigger battery. Honestly, these are small changes in battery life except Fold, but the real game started when we talk about the efficiency of the new processor. The charging speed for all the models of Pixel 9 series is also out, and it seems like we are not going to see any significant changes. The The charging speed, although different on each one, Pixel 9 Pro XL saw a slight bump up over Pixel 8 Pro, but there is no change on the smaller version of Pixel 9. But Pixel 9 Pro Fold charging speed is decreased. I don't know what is going on. Smaller battery, less charging speed. What is Google even thinking about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold? The processor and the performance is also confirmed for the Pixel 9 entire series. Google Pixel 9 Pro will going to feature a new Tensor Gen 4 this year, and we expected big updates along with it. But the Geekbench scores are not that great on Pixel 9, which means Pixel 9 will be behind its competitor in raw performance. The Geekbench scores are 1082 single-core score and 3121 multi-core score. Do note that these numbers are Geekbench 5, not 6, but still Pixel is far from reaching its competitors, and even this is a small update over last year's Tensor Gen 3. This means Google is more focused towards power efficiency than raw performance, so we shouldn't expect any raw performance gains on Pixel 9 series. Also, it is worth noting that Pixel 9 will going to feature 8GB of RAM. This is probably a base model Pixel 9, although according to previous rumors, Pixel 9 Pro will going to feature a 16GB of RAM, which is 4GB more than 8 Pro, but the storage option will start from 128GB. This should be updated to 256GB, but Google is going with the same configuration on Pixel 9 as Pixel 8. If you're a long Pixel user, you might face some issues with your Pixel devices, but I have a good news. If you're a Pixel user, you might have encountered signal problems on Pixel devices. This is mainly after Google started using Tensor processors. Although from last year's processor, this issue is rare, but still happens with the Pixel 8 users. Now, Google is going to use an updated different modem on Pixel 9 series and next generation Pixel 4 to fix all of your signal problems. This new modem is Exynos 5400, which will going to fix all of your signal problems. If you notice or not, but the next generation Pixel devices will also going to feature a satellite connectivity. Yes, this feature was much expected from Galaxy S24 Ultra, but Samsung delayed the launch of this feature. Instead, Google will going to launch in their next foldable phone, and the next generation of foldable phone from Google is the Pixel Fold 2. This new satellite connectivity feature is different from what Apple uses in 14 Pro Max and onwards. As per Samsung internal team, this will be two-way connectivity, where you can send and receive messages, and you can also share your location. The reason of quoting Samsung here, since Google uses Samsung internals for their next generation processor, Tensor Gen 4. The teaser is also out for the Pixel 9 Pro. This is the official teaser. Google started with showing off the Gemini, which will be included in Pixel 9 entire series. And that's a Gemini advanced version. To your surprise, this AI model will be available on Pixel devices only for 1 year. After that, no one knows how much they will charge for this. Although right now it costs us $20 per month, which is $240 per year. Still saving a lot of money while buying the Pixel 9 series, but I don't think people would go with the Pixel devices solely because of AI addition in Pixel 9 series. Apart from this, the design is something I want to talk about. The camera design is changed. It seemed quite thick compared to the previous generation, although the sides are updated. Those are now flat, which makes them more premium while holding a phone. Interesting thing is, Google didn't reveal the Pixel 9 XL, but Pixel 9 Pro, still keeping it a secret, the extra model in Pixel 9 lineup. On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.